Investment subject to market risk. Read all the document carefully. This channel is for education purpose. We are not responsible for your profit and loss. We are not a SEBI registered advisor. You can analyze your stock before investing. In this video, we are discussing about what is piercing line, candlestick pattern, type, piercing body structure, and how to trade of piercing line. Piercing line pattern is very similar to the bullish engulfing pattern, but with a minor difference. Let's see. The price line is a bullish candlestick pattern used in a technical analysis to signal a positional reversal from downtrend to uptrend. It is a part of the family of two candlestick pattern. It is a closer related to bullish engulfing pattern, but with some key differences. Characteristics of the piercing line. First candle start with the bearish red with a bearish candlestick that indicate the downtrend is still in focus. It means a big red candle. Second candle. The second candle is the bullish or a green or a white candle, which once opens below previous candle but close more than half a way of body of the plus of the bearish candle. Condition of a piercing line. In the live example, you can see very well. You can see that this candle open below this candle. Half part is closed above the red candle. Half of the body. If both the conditions satisfy, then you can say that it is one of the piercing line candle. Condition for the piercing line. Market content. The pattern typically occur after the prolonged downtrend or during the pullback with an uptrend. Second candle. First, for the pattern to be valid, the closing price of the second candle must be above the midpoint of the first candle's body volume. Higher volume on the second candle can be added confirmation of the pattern. Volume. Right hand view also be a chambal is also be a piercing engulfing pattern. It is a work Latin view. You can see that volume is increasing by the previous some days candles. and a second candle volume is bigger than first candle volume. It is a false, maybe. I can trade in this type of piercing candle also. Implementation the pricing line pattern is suggested. The selling pressure is the completed. Some of the best example you can see the cross above the 50% level of the bullish candle. Pricing line pattern support numbers 2 candles pattern. Trend reversal pattern. Effective if founded during a down trend. First candle is a red bearish candle, second candle is a green candle. Both candles should be a big green candle open below red candle. Green candle can close slightly below the top of the red candle. ટોપ તોડવો ન પડે પાછું, આનો ટોપ આ કેન્ડલ ન તોડવી પડે. અને આનું વોલ્યુમ જે આ કેન્ડલમાં જે વોલ્યુમ આવ્યું હોય ને એના કરતાં આ કેન્ડલમાં વોલ્યુમ વધારે પણ હોવું જોઈએ. આટલા પોઈન્ટ્સ ધ્યાનમાં રાખવા પડે.